It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we have some chicken shop Sizzler Fillet burgers from Birdseye. They're brand new. I'm looking forward to these. So we got the air fryer out, all plugged in, ready to go. They go in the oven between 20 and 24 minutes. So I imagine it'll be about 18, 19 minutes in the air fryer. So let's have a look at these then. Ooh. Oh, there we are. Oh, they look at that, look at the size on that. It's like a quarter pounder of chicken fillet. Right. Let's get it in there. So after 10 minutes, I'll give it a turn. Let's see how we get on. Okay, I've just checked it. It looks fantastic. I got my bread roll ready to go. Let's put that down there for a second. Turn that around. Turn that off and then show you what it looks like. Honestly, this air fryer, and you're probably sick of me hearing it now, but this air fryer has literally changed my life. Literally. Look at that for a burger. I mean, it's going to be, of course, it's going to be boiling hot. Nice white roll. Do we get straight into it? A really good value. £2.50 for two great big fillet steaks. Ooh. Oh, hot. Ooh. Mmm. But look at that. Look at that. Beautiful white chicken breast with a crispy coated outer layer, breadcrumbed outer layer. There's got a nice bit of spice to it actually. Mm. This is definitely Birdseye's attempt to win over your fried chicken, your people who love to go and get some fried chicken, your KFC, dare I say it, and you maybe some local chicken shops. There's loads of takeaway shops in Barry where I live, loads of chicken shops where you can get chicken burgers with mayo and lettuce and all that stuff. I've gone with it just plain, and the reason why I've gone with it plain is because I want to taste the spice in the burger. If I cover it in mayo and cover it in lettuce, then I may not have that same kind of, that same effect, that same spicy effect that you would get if it was just plain like this. So the bread rolls were 6 for £1, so that makes it about 18p, I think. About 18p, something like that for a bread roll. And you get two chicken steaks for £2.50, so that's £1.25. That's about £1.45. £1.45 for a burger, and a little bit of gas, a little bit of electric with the air fryer. The thing is with the air fryer is that you may choose to not bother getting one of these out, put it in the grill pan, maybe stick it under the grill or stick it in the oven. You got to clean all your pans out later. With this, you just got to get a bit of kitchen roll, give it a wipe, and it's clean. It's perfect, and it's the ease of use. It's on the tabletop. It's all kind of there in front of you. I think it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So you probably noticed that I'm doing a lot more of this kind of video, and that's because it's just so easy. Just so easy for me now to produce these videos. Look at that. Chicken is like a buttermilk chicken. The spice on the breadcrumb, it's quite warm. It's quite warm. You could get yourself a KFC for £3-4, or you could buy this, which is just as good. This is just as good as a KFC, especially in the air fryer, because it crisps everything up. For half the price, you can, or more than half the price, you can get yourself a chicken burger at home as part of this kind of Sizzler. Fillet burgers, which I bought in Tesco. That is a really, really solid attempt from Birdseye to make and compete with the takeaway market. Really good and really filling. What's the time? 2:15. This will do me till about 6 o'clock tonight. It's just the way the chicken is just so succulent, just so lovely, mixed with that nice, hot, spicy pepper flavour of the chili pepper flavour of the burger. The breadcrumb is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. This is for me. I'm going to buy these things all the time. When I first moved to this house over 20 years ago, it was all about deep fat frying. I had a deep fat fryer, fill a basket of oil, it kind of boils up, and you throw these in the chip fat fryer, and they would taste incredible, absolutely incredible. But with the air fryer, it's doing exactly the same thing. It's just not deep frying it, it's just cooking it really hot and crisping it up. And that's the secret. That's the secret to food like this. Making the outside nice and crispy. My goodness me, this is fantastic. I'm gonna rate it. That new Birdseye Sizzler Fillet burger, you've seen the size of it, massive. Not often do you fill these bread rolls. Not often do you fill that. That's a proper £1/4 bread roll there. Not often do you fill them bread rolls. That chicken filled it and some. It was kind of like hanging out the top. Brilliant. For the price, £1.45 with the bread roll, with the burger, a little bit electric, probably £1.50. I mean, that's incredible. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box, subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews, give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers.